So what I've got here is the Dinosaur water spray toy. We'll open it up, show you what comes in the box, and then I'll set it up so you can see what the spray pattern looks like in my yard. This is great for kids. So in the box it came with a little hose clamp and a quick release end here. And there's the sprinkler right there. Cute little dinosaurs. The kids will love that. And the hose end there. So I'll go set this up in my yard so you can see what it looks like when it's running. And we'll attach it to my hose here. Get some water flowing. And that sprays a long way. I'm about 20 feet away right now and it's giving a good spray. Definitely a fun small little sprinkler that I think the kids will love out in the yard for the summer.